Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered who is actually visiting my website? Good news is, if you are using HubSpot, there is a tool that can answer that question for you. It's called Prospects, and today I'm going to show you exactly where to find it and how to use it. So let's dive in. So here we are on the HubSpot screen. To get to this tool, search website visits in the search bar. Click on website visits and this will open the list of domains which are actually hitting your website. I have already got mine open and filtered a little bit because the raw data is always more useful once you clean it up a bit. So let me walk you through that. This prospect tool basically shows you every domain that's landing on your website. And along with that, it gives you some helpful background about the companies too. Now, here is an important tip. Not every visitor is useful data. A lot of companies showing up here are actually just internet service provider like Verizon or Google or Spectrum. Those don't tell you anything meaningful. So first thing you need to do is you need to add some filters. I've already added mine. Internet service provider is equal to false and industry is none of telecommunication. That clears out the noise, and what's left are actual companies that are genuinely visiting your site. Once that's filtered, you will see a list of real companies that have visited the website. If I click this preview button next to the company, I can see more information about the company. From there, you can look at the company page, check out the employees who work there, and see if you are connected to anyone. Maybe you are 1 degree away from someone through a mutual connection. Maybe you notice something on their LinkedIn that you could genuinely help them with. This is basically a sales discovery trick using website visits to find real people you might want to reach out to. But quick heads up, just because a company visited your website doesn't automatically mean they are a good fit or ready to buy. So use this alongside your other prospecting methods, not as the only signal. If you want more information showing up in this table, you can click on actions, edit columns, and you can add the other metrics as well. I have already added all of them, and one I really like is the source. So let me just search for the source and show you that column. You will see things like whether the traffic came in from paid search, direct, or organic. That's a great way to understand how people are actually discovering your website. Let's say now you want to build a list for account based marketing using this data. That's easy too. You will see the companies here, and next to the companies you have the plus icon. You can click on the plus icon and that company is added to your HubSpot CRM. Now you can add more details about them or add them to a relevant list for follow-up. Now obviously there is more work involved after this step. This isn't a magic close the deal button, but this report gives you a really solid starting point for understanding who is landing on your website. And it's a tool that's already sitting right inside HubSpot and ready to use. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips like this and drop a comment if there is a topic you would like me to cover next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.